Hey everybody, it's Michael Thompson, and today I'm back here at River Hall Country Club showcasing the communities that make up this development. And today we're here at Hampton Lakes. Hampton Lakes is a very special community within this development, as avid golfers live here, but it's also very family oriented. If you would like to enjoy the country club lifestyle, you have that option. You know, here at Hampton Lakes, you have the option to purchase into the country club if you're a golfer. If you're not a golfer, you don't have to join. That's one of the luxuries of living here at Hampton Lakes. Another luxury is having two of the nation's top builders building in this particular neighborhood. And today we're going to showcase Lennar Homes of Southwest Florida. So please come with me as we take a look. So today we're sitting here with Phil Ahmed from Lennar of Southwest Florida. We're here at Hampton Lakes at River Hall. Phil, appreciate you being with me today.
My pleasure.
What I'd like to talk about a little bit is what Lennar offers here at Hampton Lakes.
We offer our executive series here. That's homes that are between 1,677 square feet and go up as big as 2,750 square feet. The big thing with Lennar and what we offer is we're an everything's included builder. All these things I'm going to mention are all standard. Crown molding, epoxy on the garage floor, stainless steel appliances, granite in the kitchen, rounded edges on the drywall, a screened-in lanai, tile roof. That's our difference. Our platform is we take the upgrades that we believe everybody wants and we include them in standard in our base pricing. Here in Hampton Lakes, we give an awful lot of upgrades, but it has a great amenity center. It has great location.
The Town Hall Center, which is just behind us over here, which is really phenomenal. If you haven't seen that, it's 14,000 square foot building. It has a community pool. It has a card room, it has a fitness center, it has basically a media room as well. It has a lot of gathering places for people to come together and enjoy it. What type of incentives do you guys offer? If
it's a to-be-built home, we offer 1% incentive. If it's a house that's already been started and say drywall's up, which is about halfway, we give 2% an incentive. If it's an inventory home, we give 3% incentive because the house is ready to go. So let's just say on a $250,000 house, 3% incentive is $7,500.
It's a great value. If you're not familiar with Lennar and how they build, they're one of the best builders around. They have a package called Everything Included, just like Phil mentioned earlier. It really is phenomenal. So if you're interested in learning more about Lennar and what they're doing here at Hampton Lakes, here at River Hall, please feel free to reach out to me, send me a message, and we'll get you some more information on that. So thank you very much for meeting with me.
Quite welcome. Come see us.